Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss an interesting topic. Okay, especially when gas prices in Canada are going up, some people are thinking about it, so that's why I thought of making a video about it. So I'm going to discuss why electric cars might be cheaper in the long run in Canada. So guys, electric cars are becoming increasingly popular in Canada, but and also elsewhere, but many people think they are currently very expensive and unaffordable. While the initial cost can be high, over time electric vehicles can actually save you money. So let me explore it for you why. So for the very first important point, and this is like paramount for all of us, lower fuel cost. Electricity is cheaper than gas, so charging an EV costs less than filling a gas tank. For people driving regularly, these savings can add up to thousands each year. Again, it depends how much you drive. Tax credits and incentives. When government is offering incentives for buying electric cars, definitely that's gonna get you some rebates and tax credit. In provinces like Quebec and BC, they also offer additional programs too. Next comes is lower maintenance cost, but yes, this is something that many of you will not be agree. I totally understand. Electric cars have fewer moving parts than gas car, no oil change, fewer engine repairs, and simpler brakes means lower maintenance cost over time. But some of you may cite example that battery and other things, so I do understand there are some pros and cons too, but overall this is the situation. Resale value. As demand grows, used EVs are becoming more popular, right? Because before people buy a brand new EV, they would like to make themselves comfortable with a used EV car, so that's why even resale values are increasing. That means your investment is likely to hold value better than some traditional vehicles. Environment and lifestyle benefits. So apart from financial savings, EVs help to reduce your carbon footprint. Lower noise and smoother rides also improve the driving experience. So while the upfront cost may be intimidating, electric cars can be cheaper in the long run thanks to fuel savings, incentives, and lower maintenance. For anyone in Canada, especially in urban areas, EVs are becoming a smart choice. And you know what is my choice? My choice is, although I cannot afford it as of now, that's why I don't have it, is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, where it works on both electricity and gasoline. First electricity, and if that runs over, gasoline. Thanks for watching.